Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. Uh, I'm an Indian Air Force veteran. I have authored more than 50 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. I was blessed to be alive after the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my power of subconscious mind and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. My right hand was paralyzed and gradually recovering. And I was born in a toxic family and grew up into a toxic environment. My life is full of struggles and sufferings. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, financial challenges, and I am dyslexic with the ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Added to that, the brain stroke has further ruined my health. I am gradually recovering. I am 59 years old. In this video, I will talk briefly about my award-winning book. This book is very much important. I wrote this book in the initial stages. Around 10 years back, I wrote this book, and this book received endorsements from Vijay Govindarajan, Brand Tracy, and Marshall Goldsmith, and Arthur Karmaji has written a foreword for this book. This book I have dedicated to my two sons, M. Ganesh Sai and M. Ramakrishna Sayee. So this book talks about learning lessons from others. It offers 11 keys to effective leadership. The 11 E's are the keys to effective leadership, effective to soft leadership. It talks various things about leadership. The 11 E's I have mentioned are example, energy, enthusiasm, endurance, emotional intelligence, eloquence, empowerment, effectiveness, execution, excellence, and ethics. So I implore you to purchase a copy of this book. This book is very close to my heart because this is about leadership. Leadership is the area I am very much passionate because I have come from a military background. I served in the Indian Air Force for 12 years. I have written this book out of my passion for leadership. So I implore you to purchase this book. The title of the book is Secrets of Your Leadership Success. The 11 Indispensable E's of a Leader. So this book is available on Amazon. You can purchase a copy of this book. Thank you very much.